This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. Morning, guys. November 29, 2018. This one here, my big truck died yesterday. I brought it to the shop, brought it to a different mechanic this time. I had to wait for the tow truck yesterday for 5 hours in that flipping truck. Believable. But anyway, I'm in my pickup truck. I switched my tools over this morning. I dropped that truck off last night. They're gonna look at it, find out what's going on with it. I think it's a fuel issue. It was running fine, and engine light came on when I started it after a job, and I drove for half an hour, and she just kind of like lost power and died, and that was it. So I don't know if it's a fuel issue or what it is, but I had to wait a long time for a tow because it's a heavy truck.
3/4 of a mile, turn left on Slocum Road.
But anyway, this one here, I got a call for a gas furnace that's just clicking. He says that's an older unit, and I'm on my way over there. Only problem working on a pickup truck, you know, I only got basic tools and some parts. If I need stuff, I gotta run and get it. I mean, it's just how it is. But I'm not gonna be. I need to keep working. But anyway, no room in the truck here for the Miss Molly. But I got all my tools and I got stuff in the back, and we'll be all right. We'll manage. We'll make it happen. Do what we can. And once I get my truck back, I'll be back in full bore again. I try to get you guys some shots. And you got it off right now? Or is it calling for heat?
It's calling for heat right now. I tried to goose it up to 75 to see if that would do anything, but it hasn't touched.
Alright guys, I had to run and get another gas valve for that furnace. The thing was clicking up top trying to spark, and then I checked the voltage at the gas valve. I had 24 volts at the gas valve, but no gas coming through. Now it is propane, but he has propane. He has propane in the tank because the second floor is heating fine, and he's got gas at the stove. So it's a bad gas valve. I'll try to show you the stuff, but he was kind of standing right there, and I disconnected the two wires. The low voltage wires going to the gas valve. I stuck my meter right in the probes, and I could hear it, you know, shut it off and went through a cycle. I heard it click, 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 and I had 24 volts going to the gas valve, but it wasn't opening, letting any gas through. So I got the gas valve that's supposed to go in, a replacement for it. It's a different style, and I got a conversion kit, propane conversion kit I got to install, so it'd be kind of a little pain. But it's a different type of valve.
In 1/4 mile, turn right on Slade's Corner Road.
But that's the one that they call for this furnace, so I gotta go with a newer style. I think it's a White Rogers I'm going back with this time. But now I had to run. This guy's a tenant over here, so I had to give him a price, and he called his landlord
right on Slade's Corner Road.
Gave me the okay to go ahead and change it out. So I'm running back now with the valve. I wouldn't have that particular valve in my truck anyway.
In 1 mile, turn.
I wouldn't have that valve in the truck anyway, so I charged him for a service call, and now I'm coming back to change out the valve. It's definitely a different looking valve. I had to run and get my manometer out of my truck so I can set the gas pressure out of my other truck. Not easy when a truck goes down like that. I mean, a little bit different, but we're all right. I shouldn't have to change the jets. Jets should be the same. That's the spring that come out of it. And that's the spring that's got to go in it for the propane. Yeah, this one must be for the Honeywell. Yeah, that's the Honeywell one. This one's for the White Rogers. White Rogers. I don't really like playing around with these, but you ain't got no choice here. I mean, you need heat, right?
Yeah.
We'll have to just set the valve. Once we get it in, we'll set it. What we want. Alright. Flame sensor. It's not crazy dirty, but I'll clean it while I'm here. That's not what your problem was, but
doesn't hurt.
Take 2 seconds to clean it, right?
Mm-hmm.
She is a little crusty in there. Going in right there, we'll try it out. We got all the wiring hooked up. That's good. Should be 9 to 11. Fired right up there, see it? That's what it was. The gas valve was bad. See, 10:37, so that's good, right around 11. I'll take that out, put my plug back in, and we'll be good to go. You want to make sure you put that plug back in, and that'll ruin your day. That could really ruin your day, don't you think?
Yeah.
Don't put that plug back in. Yeah, so what I did was I just disconnected these 2 wires. I put my meter on there. Then after it was clicking, we had 24 volts going right to this. You know, in the old meter, so we knew we had gas, so we knew the gas valve was bad. Pretty simple. So I didn't change the jets because the jets are already changed because this was already converted to propane.
Okay.
So we don't need that. That's it. We're back in business here. All right, so replace main gas valve, added LP kit to it. Gas pressure okay. Date right there. So this way here, if we have any issues, we know what we did, you know?
Yeah, keep a record.
Oh, and I cleaned the flame sensor too. I'll put that on there. Alright, clean flame sensor. There we go. Not a bad little unit though, huh?
No.
Taking up air right from the basement here. Goes right up here and right out. What I did was I disconnected those two wires. There was two wires right there, 24 volts that goes to this gas valve, and I hooked them up to my meter. Well, the thing started clicking, and I had voltage here going into the meter, and nothing, the valve wasn't opening. So that's how I knew the valve was bad. Now I know he's got gas in the place because the kind of odd. Well, I knew he's got gas in the place because the second floor unit was working and the stove was working. But anyway, there you go. Let me get him a slip. There you go. Oh, did you miss Daddy? Oh, I can see the tail going. You miss Daddy? What, you miss me? Oh, I can tell. Oh, yeah, you miss Daddy. Oh, yeah, you're all excited. You miss me. You miss me. Huh? You miss Daddy? Oh, look at the tail going. I couldn't take you, man. There's no room in the little truck. I miss my little girl. I miss Miss Molly. Yeah, I missed you. I missed you. I missed you. Yeah, I know it.